Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects almost all of us: stress. We all know what it feels like, that racing heart before a big presentation, or the tension in your shoulders after a long day. A little bit of stress can actually be a good thing. It's what helps you hit that deadline or swerve out of the way of a car. But what happens when that stress doesn't go away? What happens when it becomes a constant companion in your life? That's what we call chronic or prolonged stress, and it can have some serious consequences for your health. So let's break down what's happening inside your body. When you encounter a stressor, your body's fight-or-flight response kicks in. Your brain signals your adrenal glands to release a flood of hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline increases your heart rate and elevates your blood pressure. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, increases sugars in your bloodstream to give you that quick burst of energy. In a short-term crisis, this is fantastic. It's your body's built-in survival kit. The problem starts when the alarm button stays pressed down. When you're under constant stress, your body remains in this high alert state. This continuous flood of cortisol and other stress hormones can wreak havoc on nearly every system in your body. Let's start with your heart. Prolonged stress can lead to long-term problems for your cardiovascular system. Consistently high blood pressure and an elevated heart rate can increase your risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. It's like running your car's engine in the red zone for days on end. Eventually, something's going to give. Then there's your immune system. You might notice that when you're super stressed, you catch colds more easily. That's not a coincidence. While short-term stress can briefly boost your immune response, chronic stress does the opposite. Cortisol suppresses your immune system's effectiveness. This makes you more vulnerable to infections and can also slow down your body's ability to heal. Over time, this chronic inflammation can also contribute to the development of other health issues, from skin conditions like eczema to more serious autoimmune diseases. And what about our brains? The mental and emotional toll of chronic stress is huge. It can disrupt the communication between your brain cells and even lead to the shrinking of certain brain regions, responsible for memory and emotional regulation. This is why long-term stress is closely linked to anxiety, depression, and memory problems. You might find it hard to concentrate, feel constantly irritable, or just emotionally exhausted. It can also disrupt your sleep patterns, creating a vicious cycle. You can't sleep because you're stressed, and you're more stressed because you can't sleep. So, what can we do about it? The first step is recognizing the signs of chronic stress in your own life. Are you always tired? Do you have frequent headaches or digestive issues? Are you feeling overwhelmed? These can all be red flags. The good news is there are so many effective ways to manage stress. Regular physical activity is a powerful stress reducer. It boosts endorphins, which are your body's natural mood elevators. Even a brisk 20-minute walk can make a huge difference. Mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga are also incredibly beneficial. They help train your brain to stay in the present moment instead of worrying about the future. It's about giving your nervous system a much-needed break from that fight-or-flight mode. And never underestimate the power of connection. Spending quality time with friends and family, talking about your feelings, or engaging in hobbies you love can provide a powerful buffer against stress. Finally, and this is so important, please don't hesitate to seek professional help. If you feel like stress is controlling your life, talking to a therapist or counselor can provide you with tools and strategies tailored to your specific situation. There is no shame in asking for support. It's a sign of strength. Managing stress is a journey, not a destination. It's about building small, healthy habits into your daily life. Your long-term health is worth it. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on living a healthier, happier life. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite stress-reducing activity is. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next one.